this is where I'm going to start at. I'm going to put a mark under, so when I go around, when I come to that, I'll stop. We're going to sharpen the chain, and it's got a 30-degree pitch on it. You want to move this to 30 degrees and lock it. You know, with the knob down here, you can lock it. So you just do every other one 30 degrees, like this. And then you rotate it, unlock the chain. Unlock it. Go to the next one. And then, when you want to do the other side, because you got one that goes to the left, one goes to the right. So then you want to unlock this, and then you want to turn this way 30 degrees and lock it. You might have to do a little adjusting on the. Go this way. You just got to adjust it a little bit whenever you turn it back and forth. And then you just go to the next one. Lock it. And then you want to make sure you don't go down too far. This is your stop right here. You got an adjustable stop, so you can stop. You won't have to get into the chain.